A 1 to 5 scale has to be the better instrument. 5 bands carry more information than a plain yes or no. Every rubric template looks like this. So you build your judge that way, and you start watching the mean. Quick hello before we dig in. You're watching Bearded AI Guy, fast, practical AI tips. 1 tip per video, no fluff. And today's is a good one. Today we're making every line of an LLM-judge's rubric return true or false instead of a 1 to 5 score. Picture an airport lane. Officer Ruiz rates every bag for suspiciousness 1 to 5. A month in, almost every bag scores a 3 or a 4. Today's average is 3.8. Last week, 3.7. Regression or a tired officer. Anyone asked for a number picks a safe middle number. Fine, you think. I'll anchor each band and add examples. But that dies at validation, not at the prompt. Validating 5 bands means agreeing with a human on 3 versus 4. Humans can't. Therefore, take the rating away and hand Ruiz a checklist. 1 criterion, 1 binary. In your eval, that's 3 questions. First, does the reply state the refund amount in dollars? Second, does it name the account? Third, does it avoid promising a date absent from the policy? But here's the part people skip. Ruiz can't say the bag looked off. He points at the exact item on the X-ray. So what can your judge do that Ruiz can't? Invent the item. Answer true and quote text that was never there. So the judge returns 2 fields, past and an evidence quote, and then 1 line of Python checks it. If past is true and the evidence isn't in the transcript, set past to false. A judge that paraphrases its evidence is guessing. Then count. 3 criteria, 2 passed. 67%. Next run, 1 passes, 33%. That's a 34-point drop anyone in the room can read. Your 5-band mean, meanwhile, moved 1/10, but binary throws away magnitude. Picture 3 lanes. On the left, the 1 to 5 lane, everything piled on 3 and 4. In the center, the checklist lane, where slightly wrong and catastrophically wrong both score false. On the right, the fix. Split that criterion in 2. Therefore, peel the thing apart. On top, 1 percentage. Under it, a list of booleans. Under each boolean, a boring question and a verified quote. Snap it back together and validate just 2 things with humans. Judge true matches human true. Judge false matches human false. That's Hamil Hussain and Shreya Shankar's LLM Evals FAQ. Ruiz isn't there to describe how the airport feels. He's there to catch the 1 bag that changed. A judge's job isn't to describe quality, it's to detect change. Binaries move where means do not. That was Bearded AI Guy. 1 tip closer to building better AI. If this one earned its keep, drop a comment with what you tried and subscribe so the next tip finds you.